Hello everyone, this is our sample house built by our 3D panel. For this house, around 10 days finished using 3D panel. And now in China it's very cold. Now it's winter, and when I go inside, you can. Inside it's very warm, so for the 3D panel heat installation function is very good, and it's good for your summer and winter. You can get a comfortable house, and you can check this is the EPS raw material, EPS block 3D panel. You can check we use this build. It's very good.